Good day. Many of you are frustrated because you've been trying endlessly for months, if not years, to earn money as an Amazon affiliate, and you haven't been able to engage enough people to buy from you and make a substantial income. Let me share with you the things that you're probably doing wrong. First of all, if you want to engage people to buy from your Amazon affiliate store, you have to stop selling and start engaging them with quality content. Now, I'm going to share with you a technique I've been using for many, many years. I have over 60,000 students and I've curated since 1995. Now, full disclosure, I would like to think that all my students are making thousands of dollars a week. And that's simply not true. Now, is it because my system doesn't work? No, my system works fine because I have students that make six figures a month. Now, again, to be fair, those students have been with me for 2 and 3 years, and it doesn't happen overnight. So if you want to make money as an Amazon affiliate, the number one thing you have to do is A, stop selling. The next thing you have to do is establish trust. And the third thing you have to do is treat this like a serious business. If you're just going to try this, et cetera, I'm going to tell you right now, it's never going to work and you're going to fail. So here are the steps you can take in order to secure a lucrative, successful experience as an Amazon affiliate or any affiliate program for that matter. I basically developed a program, a platform that took me 2 years to build that basically rides the coattails of the number one search engine, which is YouTube. It used to be Google, it's now YouTube, especially because of what's been happening in the past couple of years. So I'm going to teach you how to ride the coattails of YouTube, Facebook, Amazon, and WordPress. My platform is built with WordPress. And you'll have access to over $700 of hand-picked premium software in WordPress, things you'd have to go out and buy if you didn't have my system. Now, you can do a 14-day free, no strings attached trial, and if you keep the store for that trial, it's typically $297 a year, you can get it for $100. I also have an incentive for 5 niche programs. Here are the 5 best niches that will draw traffic to any Shopify store, any Amazon affiliate program, etc., are the 5 niches in no particular order. Coffee, tea, snacks, beverages. Why? Because everybody in the world falls under that category. Beverages can be bottled water. Recipes. Gluten-free recipes, keto recipes, low-carb recipes, health and fitness, weight training, Pilates, yoga, makeup tutorials, beauty, makeup, and of course, pets. People that own pets are fanatic. Now, what do all of those niches have in common? You could market products on Amazon using videos from YouTube. What do I mean by that? Well, this is how you get to working smart. In just a second, I'm going to profile one of my students' websites and share with you. She's a single mother of 3. She's been with me for going on 3 years now, and she's successful at what she does because she earns by not selling. So here's an example. If you want to make a great commission from a $400 espresso cappuccino machine, gourmet cappuccino machine on Amazon, how do you do this? Well, here's what you don't do. Do not post the product. That's not going to work. That's not going to scale, and it's probably going to get you banned from Facebook. Rather, post a coffee cappuccino recipe. If you want to make money from a $3,500, $4,500 NordicTrack commercial treadmill, how do you do this? Don't post the treadmill. Post a treadmill review. Post how to work out at the treadmill. Anything that's in that niche. So if you have 5 different niches, you can draw traffic to that niche website via videos that you curate from YouTube. So here's the series. Here's the process. You're curating using backend software. You put in keywords. It brings in those videos from YouTube to your WordPress website. And I'll share with you what I'm talking about in just a second. From there, you share that on your social media. So if you're going to have 5 different niche stores, you should have 5 separate niche Facebook pages. So let's go and check out Becky's website and share with you exactly what I'm talking about. And again, this could be yours absolutely free for 14 days. And if you're not ready for that, you can watch my turnkey videos that would typically cost you $79. You can get that for free. And if that doesn't work for you, call me on Facebook. My Facebook link is in the description of this video. Simply contact me on Facebook. We'll set up a conference call, a call between you and I, and you can pick my brain. Whether or not we do business or not, I don't care. I'm an open book. I love what I do, but I 100% assure you nothing will happen if you continue to do nothing, and if you continue to chase the shiny objects, and if you continue to watch these waste of time webinars and the gurus and the masterminds All they want you to do is sign up for their $997 course. So let's look at Becky's site and share with you how she works smart, one step at a time. So if you look at Becky's website, you'll see that it's packed with videos that she curated from YouTube. So it's not a salesy website. Now, she does happen to have a shop that you can shop from Amazon, et cetera, et cetera. But let's play devil's advocate for a second. Why the heck would somebody go to your affiliate web store on Amazon, or my affiliate store for Amazon, or Becky's? Why wouldn't they just go to Amazon? Why do they need us? Well, I'll give you the reason. Because you've taken the time to curate the best deals. So if you're on a fitness workout niche WordPress website, maybe you curated the best Pilates equipment, the best yoga mats, the best training, the best cross training. Somebody's going to deal with you on your niche turnkey affiliate Amazon store because you've taken the time to curate the best products to meet their needs. That's why. Now, do you have to sit there and do this week after week? No, my software will do this for you. You can simply go into the back end of the software and type in best-selling yoga pants, best-selling cross trainers, best-selling cookware, best-selling treadmills, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And that will come in automatically to your store. So you don't have to sit there and babysit. The only time that you need to spend, my students are successful working 2.5 to 3.5 hours a week, half hour on a Monday, 45 minutes on a Wednesday. Notice I skipped Tuesday, et cetera, et cetera. So the key to making money online is to be persistent and consistent. Let's get back to Becky's website. So if you look at her store, again, it's Becky's online recipe store. If somebody clicks on here to watch this video, she has engaging content here, so somebody can click this banner ad, which is a banner ad to go to Amazon, and a banner ad at the bottom. So basically, she put these above and below the video. Now, how does she get traffic to come here? Well, she gets traffic from her Facebook page. So when somebody wants to click, let's go to Becky's Facebook page and share with you what I'm talking about. So here we are on Becky's Facebook page. Now, when somebody wants to watch this delicious 20-minute meal, notice it basically has her name, Becky's Online Recipe Store. So when somebody wants to watch this engaging video, where does it take them? It doesn't take them to YouTube. It takes them to Becky's Recipe Niche Store. And then they have the opportunity to buy products related to that particular video. So notice every time I refresh the page, different opportunities pop up because she has rotating banner ads. So that's how you work smart, by engaging people. By if you want to make money online, rule number 1, stop selling. Rule number 2, establish trust with your people by engaging them with quality, value-based content. And number 3, be consistent and be persistent. Treat this like a serious business. For more information, go check out my website in the link at the bottom. Simply go to onlineshops.network and I will help you every step of the way to work smart. Finally, stop chasing the shiny objects. Stop following the gurus and the masterminds, because all they want to do is sell you their $997 course and provide no tools. You know the problem with these $997 courses? It's kind of like me saying, oh, I'm going to teach you how to fly a plane. It's a great course. It's a $10,000 course, how to fly a plane. But silly me, I don't have access to a plane. I'm going to teach you how to overhaul a car, but I don't have access to the car. So that's exactly what these snake oil webinar clowns do. They get you excited about their training, but they give you no tools. Well, guess what? I give you the tools and the solution and the training all in one cohesive package. Plus, I give you the opportunity to kick the tires for 14 days or watch my free videos. And if nothing more, schedule a Facebook audio call with me. Why do I say Facebook? I don't need to have your cell phone. I don't need your email address. If you don't like what I have to say on Facebook audio, hey, block me. Never talk to me again. But I assure you 100% nothing will happen if you continue to do nothing. So if you want a serious solution for making money online, again, full disclosure, I have students that make $100 a week. I have students that make over $100,000 a month. Now, obviously, I have more students making $100 a week than I do making $100,000 a month. But it's up to you what you want to make. But nothing happens if you just do nothing. So nothing more. Go to my store, check out my 14-day trial, watch my turnkey step-by-step videos, and talk to me on Facebook. I'm here to help you. But again, nothing will happen if you choose to do nothing. Let's make 2022 your best year ever. Again, my name is Robert Farrell. I've been in the online trenches since 1995. I've been teaching software, marketable skills here in New York City on 57th Street and Broadway since 1987. Excuse me, I just had a sip of Diet Coke, so sorry about that. Talk to you soon. Let's make this your best year ever.